So today we're going to do a quick little simple fun smoothie. It's going to be a strawberry and pineapple smoothie. Really simple, really quick. You'll enjoy it. Let's get started. So first we're going to start with a little Ninja cup here. I got a quarter cup of water. I got a cup of ice. I'm going to go ahead and dump that in. Then I got a cup of strawberries. And then I got a cup of cut pineapples that we previously sliced and froze. And then a quarter cup of lemon juice. Okay, ready to put the top on. And if you have a Ninja, I always use the Smoothie IQ blend. Put it on there. It'll sit for 60 seconds, and here we go. Okay, we're just finishing up with it. It's got a beautiful milky pink look to it. So what it tastes like. Really good. It's got the strawberry taste with the hint of lemon and a little bit of pineapple twang and a little bit of tartness, but overall it's really good. Good powerhouse to start your morning. Thanks again for watching.